Good morning, guys. It's so cold now here. Before Dada go home, he will fix her first. Kasi heels siya, guys. Para yung flattened lang siya ba. Hindi mix cement. Why? Bella is weak. Ayan! Good morning, my dear. Good morning, my dear. Good morning. Morning. Eh? Morning, morning. Don't cry. That is grandma. Eh?
Abana sikia kegisi.
No kissy.
Lesongo.
Okay. Bella. She's sister of grandma. Grandma of Bella. This one. Yeah. This one? No, Mama is boiling water. This is the kitchen of Mama. Boiling water. Yeah. Yes, Mama. It's Dada. Papa. Bella, stay there, Bella, ha? Let Mama wash this side. Oh, start washing because they are also busy this side. Are busy here. So let me wash here, this side. And then Bella is there. Dios donkey, guys. Water for drinking. And it's very far. It's very far, darling. The water. Oh. Mama is there, relaxing. Dogs and baby cow. Oh, they have two baby cows. Oh, it's so cold. Bella sleeping na. Let me finish washing clothes. See. Yeah, it's evening view here. So it's 6:30 now here, huh? Yeah, it's 6:30 p.m. now here, guys. Yeah, Mama is here milking, getting. It's finished. Oh, finish. Getting milk. What? You have many cows here, Mama. And one donkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cows. Two baby cow. And 4 big cows. Wow. Yeah. It's firewood. It's evening here. A lot of poop. tingnan ko tong ini-stock ni Ben na timber dito. Sabi niya nag-stock daw siya ng timber. Ito. Bakit kunti na lang? Oh. May chicken. May ano dito. Makasipain tayo ng donkey. Oh, ito. Mabalas. Nagka-donkey na. Wow. Bella is crying. Mama is crying. Ay, Bella is crying. Be crying.
No. It's not right.
He's down there. The one I heard is down there. I
That's
thought
why
this
you are running.
I thought this crying.
It's not.
There's a kid there. Oh. Ito yung blocks namin, oh. Na binili. Hindi pa nagamit, guys. Kaya slowly lang kami para iwas loan. Ito may ayun, may avocado na. Ang dami ng avocado. Kinat nila yun dito yung side. Ito din yung tank na binili niya. Tapos itong toilet colorful na. Ay. Andun na siya sa kanila. Andun na siya sa bahay, guys. Yung bahay na nirentahan namin. Umuwi na siya kasi bukas magwo-work na. So, stay muna kami dito. Maybe 1 week. Para din makapaghinga. The village now is here. Na may light na. Hayag na bahayag na. Di priyada tingangit-ngit. So, we visit here in the kitchen of Mama. Huh? Neria. Jerry?
Yeah.
Well, Mama cook what? She's cooking cabbage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bella. Bella. Bella.
This is the kitchen of Mama.
Bella.
Yeah. Ang dami firewood dito ni Mama.
Don't cry.
Don't cry, my dear. Bella. Bah. Cha, 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 cha.
Bella.
So, may light na kasi may solar na binili din ni Pian para hindi madilim dito, guys. Paggabi. Yun. Check natin. Ito, may firewood. Binili din niya. Bumili siya ng isang tree para ikakat. Daming cows na dito ni Mama. Dati isa lang yun, 2. Yung malalaki. Ay, even we stay in the village, guys. We can do business like this. Cows. I think cows here is around, it depends, like, may 20,000 Kenyan shilling to 30,000 Kenyan shilling. I think it depends din sa laki niya. Hala. 20 Kenyan shilling, divide lang ng 2, guys. Like 20 Kenyan shilling, 10,000 pesos, like that. Bella now is not crying. She's used now. Not crying. Ay. She will cry when kung makita niya ako. What's this in your head? Why are you crying, my dear? Let's go this side.
Don't lie, Bella.
Let's go this side. Itutur ko kayo. Oh, ito yung bahay ni mama, papa. Dito na room kay papa. Dito na room ka mama. Ito yung sink, guys. So, nandun sa bahay ba na extra. Ay, sabi ko, dalhin dito. Tapos yung stand, hindi na nadala. Kasi yung malisod ba? Malisod ikarga sa motor bitaw. Magpahimo lang daw siya, diri para may sink ako. Ayoko din ng yung nakaupo. Ang sakit kaya. Ito may tubig. Gawan ko ito ng yung kabo. Ikakat ko yan para may kabo ako. Ito yung solar na binili niya para may suga sila ni mama tsaka papa. Yan, that's why I like my husband too much, guys, because very ito yung solar dito. Ay, is your one socks, huh? Where is your one sock, huh? Huh? Look at to. Look
Bella!
at to.
Bella!
Look at to.
Bella!
What Papa saying?
Baba was saying, which vegetable can you eat?
Today, now.
Yeah.
She's asking food.
Bella! Yeah?
Tugnaw diri, tugnaw kaayo.
Bella! Bella!
Bah!
Bella! 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 Look at this.
Cry. Don't cry, my dear.
Bella was crying. Why are you crying, Bella? Where is socks, Bella?
I don't know. Let me check there.
Bella, why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Don't kiss here.
Okay,
Just
I know.
kiss here.
I know.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bella. Yeah?
Stand. Ay, yeah.
Teammate.
Let me check.
Teammate.
Hi guys. Bella is here. Ay, sorry. Sige. Ay. Naadlog siya sa camera.
Bella, bye. Bye.
Uy. Andun lang yung mo, Bella, yung medyas mo, Ito guys, nilabel na guys. Para dito si Bella. Dito kami magtambay sa labas. I-on natin yung suga. Dito sa labas. Yun. Na. Oops. Okay. Ito na. Let's close the door. Let me just... yeah. Dog. It's a doggy. Diba? Okay na? Late. Okay na siya. Pwede na dito si Bella kamang-kamang. Let's go to kitchen. Mama. Gede. Yeah. It's 7:51 p.m. now. We eat here. Our supper. We eat supper here. Eh? Wash hand before eat. Oh.
Nunggu siguro lagi ka.
Wash hand. I'm busy one.
Agora me necessita o quima.
One.
Daruda.
Lapan, my dear.
Ini jika ada tetangga kau sorry.
Manago.
Kau mana kau ni?
Yung tweet manago.
Grabe, chichindi, chichindi.
Hello kita. Guna kau.